Welcome to Manotick StringWorks. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more video content. Well, here we are back in the workshop and for another episode of What's in the Box. Let's have a look. So I received this box earlier this week, actually as a bit of a birthday gift, which is fun. So let's have a look. It's from Solo Guitars in Toronto. Got a few picks. Thank you card from Solo, little discount code. Oh, nice. So it's a Solo digital nut slotting gauge. So basically a string height gauge. Oh yeah. That looks pretty cool. Let's have a closer look. Alright, so in this nice little case we have a digital, basically string height gauge that you can use for setting your nut depths, the height of your strings. Nice little unit. Comes with a battery, a little screwdriver, and here's the little brass block that you will use to straddle the strings on your fretboard. Let me loosen that up. There's a little set screw there. And you would place your gauge in there. And you would use it, place it on top of your string, zero it out, and then you would be able to see how far it goes down, and that would give you the height. So I think it's easier to demonstrate it. Let's do that. But first let me put the battery in. I was just going to do this like fast forward, but that would be cool to look inside. That's pretty neat. You see the workings of it. And we have an AG13 1.5 volt battery. I'm assuming that this goes in from the top. This plate will go, the little rubber end goes back there. And I'll screw it back in. Alright, this is the part of the video where we see if I put the battery in the right way. Yeah, it's on. Turn it off. On. Oop, it's moving. Cool. Well, let's try it out. Alright, so I have the gauge and the little brass block, and I was just curious to see if that gauge is flush at the bottom, and it is, so otherwise it wouldn't be as accurate. Alright, so that looks like it's milled correctly. Of course, this is marketed as a nut slotting gauge, so to give you the height of the string at the first fret, and that'll help you when you need to adjust the depth of the nut slot. Of course it can be used for any string height, but we'll use it here again. So we're going to zero it out because it's resting on top of the string, and you press it down and it gives you your reading. So again, it's pushing the string till it touches the fret, and that distance, that difference, is what your height is. Let me go here. So I'm going to turn it to me so I can see it better. I'm going to zero it out. So that's giving a 0.9 millimeters. Well, this will be interesting to try it out a few more times and see how it works and if it's useful. Anything to give me a precise measurement is kind of cool. I mean, I think using nut slot files, feeler gauges, that works, but this is just another tool in the toolbox, so I hope you like it. So that's it for today. I'll probably use this on the next setup video. Alright, take care. Bye for now.